Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar rise 0.5% against the yen. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 7.6% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an oversold market. The oil-dollar pair fell 0.2% following a 1.4% intra-session dip. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices fell on Friday and were headed for their first monthly drop since November, as markets watched an Oval Office argument between the US and Ukrainian presidents, while also bracing for Washington's new tariffs and Iraq's decision to resume oil exports from the Kurdistan region. China's manufacturing activity expanded at the fastest pace in 3 months in February, as new orders and higher purchase volumes led to a solid rise in production, an official factory survey showed. The official Purchasing Managers' Index rose to 50.2 in February. Gold prices fell over 1% to end the week as the dollar held close to 2-week highs after US inflation data came in line with expectations, suggesting the Federal Reserve may adopt a cautious stance on additional rate cuts.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 3-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. The Austrian unemployment rate at 8 GMT. The Dutch retail sales will be released at 5:30 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio at 23:30 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.